The little bird. Once there was a little bird who was afraid to fly. Every day she saw the other birds soaring high in the sky, and she wished she could join them, but she was scared. One day her mother saw her sitting on the tree branch, looking sad. "Why are not you flying, little one?" she asked. "I am scared," said the little bird. "What if I fall?" Her mother smiled and said, "You can do it. You were born to fly. Sometimes we must take a leap of faith, even if we are afraid." The little bird took a deep breath, spread her wings, and flew for the first time. At first, she was scared, but soon she felt the wind beneath her wings, and it was the most wonderful feeling. From that day on, the little bird flew every day, and she was no longer afraid. She realized that sometimes you just have to believe in yourself and take the first step.